Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, lived a girl named Lili. She was known for her radiant smile and her love for animals. One sunny morning, while exploring the forest, Lili stumbled upon a small, fluffy rabbit with the softest fur she had ever seen. The rabbit, whom Lili named Cotton, became her constant companion. They frolicked in meadows, shared secrets under the whispering trees, and watched the stars twinkle in the night sky. As the seasons changed, so did their bond. Lili grew older, and Cotton remained her faithful friend. They laughed together, cried together, and learned about the beauty of life through each other's eyes. Years passed, and Lili eventually became a wise woman, but Cotton remained forever young. Their friendship was a testament to the timeless connection between humans and nature, a bond that defied age and spanned generations, leaving an indelible mark on Lili's heart and the forest they called home.